Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today is Tuesday and we are playing with some cut files. I started with these leaves and the word summer, and I cut it from white cardstock. And I'm working with the June and a bit of the July kits because they just hit my door, and I needed to sneak in, and I grabbed a few things. But I started this project with the gorgeous cloud stencil from the June color kit and the Distress Oxide called Tumbled Glass. And I'm just working my way through over the paper, and I just wanted to have something in the background. I don't want to use too much color or too much mixed media. I just wanted to have a bit of color, a bit of texture, and yeah, I just love that stencil and I needed to use it again. So the picture I'm scrapping today shows my oldest son in the age of 6 or nearly 7, I believe, and he got a new haircut. And I don't know, I totally love that picture and I wanted to scrap it. He's not smiling, he's not looking very happy, but he loved his haircut, and he was telling a story, and he was looking very serious and very, concentrated, and so I just love that shot. So now I'm done with my background, and then I will start to play around with the embellishments. And first I had a very hard time to get anything on the paper. I started with that gorgeous wood grain looking paper from the July kits, and I wanted to have some kind of a border where all the stuff can sit on, but I don't know, it was not working, it was not looking right to me. And these are the gorgeous acetate mandalas from the July kits, and I just love them. And I don't know, the picture was just screaming for some kind of, I don't know what's called, but he's just looking like a little Indiana, Indian, and I don't know. So the bits and pieces I just added to the paper, they are all from the June kits, and I wanted to bring in some kind of colors and elements, but I don't know, I had a very hard time, and so I will skip this part, or I will not go with that design idea. I will change everything in a bit, but I thought I will let it this into, so you can see the struggle is real and not every layout comes together very easily. The ephemera pieces I'm looking through right now, they are from the July kits, and I just love them. But it was not the kind of things I wanted to use. I grabbed one of these gorgeous leaves just because the cut file I used is very similar, and I wanted to bring in a touch of green. But I don't want to color the white leaves green. I just wanted to have them in white, but as you can see, it's not working. So I stopped. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So I just started over again. I clustered everything close around the picture. I added 2 pieces of pattern paper behind my picture, and now I'm trying to find a way to get this composition worked on that background, and I will just fiddle around, and then I will stop again on one point, and I will grab some very bright green colored tulle from my stash, and I will bring that in between the white leaves, just because I had the feeling I needed to bring in some kind of color to the leaves. But as I said before, I don't want to color them. And yeah, so just adding some bits and bobs, some little puffy stickers, and these are some clear stickers from the June kits. I will grab 2 or 3 of them. I will stick them to white cardstock so I can move them around like I would do it with a die cut without the sticky part, And then I will just try to finish that layout. I will, when I'm taking the break, I will also add 2 more rows of the clouds, and just for some more colors. And I will use the Shimmers paint, the Vibes called Jenny B Blue from the July kits, and I will just add some splatters behind everything, but I will do that off camera. And yeah, now you can see I'm just fiddling around with the little stickers, and hooray, go you, and you are my ray of sunshine or something like that. And I also wanted to use the word summer, the cut file, but there was not enough room for it, and so I looked through the other things and I found this Pink Fresh Studio sticker with the word smile in yellow, but I will not use it. I really like how it's looking right there, but I don't know, I will not use it. I will use the blue word hello instead. And here you can see I added some more blue in the background. I added the light green tulle between my flowers, and I made I just glued everything down. I just wanted to complete this page, and the more I'm looking at it, the more I like it. You know, sometimes that's just not that easy, but I totally love how it's coming together, and I love the very soft tulle color peeking between the leaves. And I also decided to stick that cloud and the sun onto my picture. I know it's not making any sense, but I like the placement there, and yeah. Also gluing down the word, this yellow chipboard sticker with the word summer, and I am just, yeah, trying to bring in the word smile again, but I don't know, there was too much yellow on that corner. And so I will not go with the word smile, I will go with the word hello, but first I'm bringing in some journaling lines and the date stamp, and then I will just complete that page. I will bring in some little bits and bobs, the little sayings, the puffy stickers. I will replace the butterfly, and just trying to complete it. And here's the word hello. I wanted to use it on a previous page, and it was staying on my desk, and so I just grabbed it. I placed it onto that cloud, and I like it. But then I was thinking maybe I need another spot with that darker blue. But then I realized on the little butterfly is a tiny bit of that blue, and so I thought, okay, maybe it's enough. And the mandalas are also very dark blue. It's not the same blue, but it's just a darker shade, and I don't want it to bring in another color, so to be honest. But I like how it's looking. Now I'm sticking down the little word stickers, and then I am nearly done. I will just, yeah, like I said before, I will just have another look into the bits and pieces. This cloud, I wanted to use it. I believe I will stick it down on one point, but maybe off camera, I am not sure. And here I was thinking about title, because I wanted to have the title New Cut or New Summer Hair or Summer Hair, and I don't know, it was not working. Nope. So trying some other chipboard stickers, but nope. I'm sorry about the glare on the packaging, and now I will add some animal dots, but I will do that later because I couldn't decide which color I wanted to use and where I want to use them, and so I will do that later. But yeah, so I will call it a layout, and I really like how it's looking. I love the yellow striped paper peeking out from behind, and I love the tulle, and I just love that picture. Yes. So you will get the close-up and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you are all doing good. And yeah, that's it for now. Talk to you soon. Thank you and bye-bye.